I'll be straight with you. 5 AI tools made me money overnight, and one costs $5 a month. Voiceover, art, chatbots, training video, custom GPTs. 5 real side hustles, real prices, all tested. 11 Labs clones your voice in 60 seconds. Create a plan. $22 for 100 minutes. Comment, voice, if you'd try this. Midjourney locks one art style with style reference codes. Standard plan, $30, unlimited relax mode. Etsy sellers print these daily. I checked 12 listings myself. Build a custom GPT for $20 monthly. No code required. 3 million GPTs already exist. Synthesia clones your face into an AI avatar. Starter plan, $29 for 10 minutes. That's nearly $3 per minute. Chatbase resells chatbots to local businesses. And after running this for 3 weeks, my take is it's the real money maker. Hobby plan, $32 monthly. Comment boat if you'd pitch this to a dentist. 11 Labs wins on voice quality. Midjourney wins on art. Chatbase wins on recurring revenue. Entry price ranges from $5 to $32 a month. My pick, Chatbase, 8.5 out of 10. Recurring revenue beats one-time sales. Comment your pick below. Link in the description. Subscribe for daily AI tool reviews.